fire reminds me of the chaos we're trying to contain.
Yes, but we must find the root cause.
And what is the human cost of that?
The cost is high.
But at what point do we lose our humanity?
Order.
Brian Nathan won Florida State Senate District 14.
Second Trump district flipped tonight. People remembered empathy, even when so many tried to forget it.
People are realizing ideology blinds them. Narratives tell them who to fear, who to protect, even when the facts say otherwise.
And those manipulated by lies, even if they can't see it.
Then there's that podcast, Pete, Secretary of Defense, talking about crucifixion of a politician. He's supposed to post in politics. He's supposed to follow Christian values, but what he's saying is practically insane.
Listen, Christ-like, it's disguised as faith.
Not Hegseth himself, but people online think it is. That's how danger spreads. Printed ideology in minds.
In Pete's words, he clinged the neck and let me outside taught. He's flipped it all.
It messes with people. They start thinking identity is more important than humanity.
But humanity, empathy, that's what matters. That's what saves us. If we forget that, nothing else matters. That's why Florida flipped. Reality pushed back. People remembered empathy, decency. The blue wave proves it. Too bad Pete doesn't. He could have led by example, shown real Christian values. Instead, it's just chaos and fear.
Fragile illusion, podcast rhetoric, online misrepresentation, all pull people back into the bubble.
And if they keep believing it, the innocent suffer again. It's heavy to carry in your heart.
We have to watch, track truth, show reality, otherwise cries of the oppressed turn to
And
static.
hold space for those who can't. Let compassion be louder than lies.
This is why we talk, why we observe, why we fight illusions over reality, one truth at a time.
And each truth saved is a soul remembered, a life respected. That's what matters.
Reality always catches up. It's up to us to witness it.
And to never forget the heart. That is our guide.
Do you ever wonder what's hidden in plain sight?
We're taught to see, but not always to understand.
Sometimes I feel the truth is just out of reach.
Knowledge is everywhere, yet we overlook it.
It's not just facts, it's how we interpret them. I keep trying, but it feels endless.
Every choice we make echoes beyond this moment.
Even the smallest gestures ripple outward.
I wish I could see the consequences clearly.
Paths are never straight, we carve them as we go.
And sometimes we forget to look back.
I fear losing sight of what's important. History teaches us if only we pay attention.
It's not just what happened, but how we remember.
I'm haunted by what I didn't notice before.
Listening is an act of courage, sometimes.
Stillness can reveal more than noise ever will. I struggle to stay quiet long enough to hear.
We wander among ideas, yet cling to comfort.
Comfort can blind us to the wider world. I feel torn between safety and understanding.
Flowing, bending, find its own path.
Life moves like water, steady yet unpredictable. I wish I could move as freely as that stream. Some truths are hidden in shadow, waiting.
We must look carefully to find them.
I fear I've overlooked too much already.
Even in light, there are corners unseen. We must walk through carefully, notice every detail.
I feel like I'm learning to see for the first time.
Stories shape us, whether we admit it or not.
Every perspective adds to the mosaic of truth. I never realized how vast the world of ideas is.
A light can change the way we see everything.
Even the same space can feel new. I'm noticing nuances I missed before.
Growth is subtle, often unnoticed until it blooms.
Patience is key, even when progress feels slow. I feel hope starting to take root.
But we must tread carefully, not rush. Every step moves us closer to understanding.
I'm learning to measure my pace. Comfort can teach as much as struggle.
Sometimes reflection is best by the fire.
I'm starting to feel clarity in the quiet.
It's not just the destination, but the journey.
Paths diverge, yet we follow where curiosity leads. I feel alive in this movement.
Even small corners hold immense knowledge.
Focus is key to seeing what others overlook. I'm learning to pay attention to the details.
We must be honest with ourselves to grow.
Reflection mirrors our inner thoughts. I feel a shift happening within me. Time moves steadily, we must keep pace with it.
Awareness turns moments into lessons.
I'm trying to learn before time slips away.
Understanding grows from observation and patience.
Everything we've seen connects in ways we can't yet name. I finally feel a sense of perspective. Knowledge is a path we must walk carefully.
And share wisely with those who listen.
I feel ready to continue the journey. All these stories, all these lessons, they've survived centuries because someone
And
cared
now,
to remember.
each moment you witness, each idea shared, it becomes part of that same stream. Take a moment to carry something good forward. A thought, a kindness, a story worth remembering.
We may not know where it will go or how far it will reach, but keep searching, keep sharing.